Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to create an order with offline payment methods. To create an order, the shopping cart should have some items in it. First, generate a customer access token. Then create a new post request with this endpoint. Copy and paste the token in authorization section as bearer token. I will leave the sample code in the description. After complete, it returns an order ID. Now let's check the order on admin dashboard. Go to Sales, choose Orders. Then search for the order ID or customer account. As you can see, the order is successfully created. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,